A noun is a word representing a person, place, or thing. In Spanish, nouns have number and gender. By number, we mean that nouns can be singular or plural. For example, the nouns mujer for woman, casa for house, and juguete for toy are singular. But mujeres, casas, and juguetes are plural nouns. We add an es to mujeres when the noun ends in a consonant, and we simply add an s to a noun that ends in a vowel such as casas and juguetes. Easy enough. But what about gender? This is a grammatical concept that doesn't apply to English. It means that each noun in Spanish is identified as either masculine or feminine. How can a book, or libro, be masculine and a table, or mesa, be feminine? In Spanish, each noun is either masculine or feminine regardless of whether it represents a person or thing. A male professor or profesor is masculine, as we may suspect. A female professor or profesora is feminine in gender. But the word persona, which means person, is feminine in gender, despite whether the person referred to is a male or a female. Mi papá es una persona inteligente. Why do we need to recognize that the word persona is a feminine form? As long as we remember how to spell persona, why does its gender matter? It matters when we place nouns into the context of a sentence. When we surround nouns with articles and adjectives, they are these descriptive terms that change according to number, singular or plural, and gender, masculine or feminine, of the nouns they describe. For example, the Cuban boy, or el chico cubano, is masculine singular. The Cuban boys, or los chicos cubanos, is masculine plural. The Cuban girl, or la chica cubana, is feminine singular. And the Cuban girls, or las chicas cubanas, is feminine plural. Each definite article must be consistent with the number and gender of the noun it describes. There are 4 unique ways to say the in Spanish: el, los, la, or las. We have to match the noun with the correct article that corresponds with its number and gender. The descriptive adjectives must also match the number and gender of the nouns they describe. So, in el chico cubano, the adjective cubano matches chico. Cubanos are Cuban boys. Cubana is the feminine form to match chica. And cubanas describe a group of girls. Indefinite articles also change in number and gender. So, a good-looking actor is un actor guapo. Some good-looking actors are unos actores guapos. A good-looking actress is una actriz guapa. And some good-looking actresses are unas actrices guapas. So, How do we anticipate which number and gender a particular noun in Spanish represents? Number is easy. If it ends in an S, it's plural. But gender is more challenging. There are, however, some patterns that can help us make good, educated guesses. Often, a word ending in O is identified as a masculine noun. El servicio es rápido, or the service is fast. Un teléfono es necesario, or a telephone is necessary. Mis primos son generosos means my cousins are generous. Pocos individuos son ambiciosos is few individuals are ambitious. Almost as often, a word ending in A is identified as a feminine noun. La amiga de Julio es famosa means Julio's female friend is famous. Una barbacoa es deliciosa, or a barbecue is delicious. Muchas farmacias son modernas is many pharmacies are modern. And sus familias son ricas is their families are rich. Occasionally, a noun ending in O is not masculine, and similarly, a noun ending in A is not feminine. Consider la mano, the hand, or una foto, a photo, which are feminine in gender, and el mapa, the map, or un día, one day, which are masculine nouns. There are numerous exceptions to the normal patterns. The situation is further challenged. A noun ending in E or a consonant may be either masculine or feminine. For example, el debate dramático is masculine, while una clase académica is feminine, and la universidad pública is feminine, yet un animal doméstico is masculine. You may pick up some fairly reliable patterns along the way to make some good guesses in identifying gender as you learn more words. But there's only one way to verify the gender of an unfamiliar word in Spanish. Look it up.